This is September 21st, and we're well into harvesting our ever-bearing raspberries. This year we've had double the yield due to increasing the topsoil and the quality of the topsoil. Besides applying organic fertilizers. As you can see from these tomatoes, these plants are producing between 5 and 10 pounds of tomatoes each. Tomatoes weighing between half a pound and a pound. And over here we have raspberry canes that have had 30 and 40 blossoms and berries. We're about halfway through right now, but we will be getting berries until it freezes up. These canes are 3 times thicker and stronger and healthier than they were before we improved the soil. And plants need lots of topsoil, and the biology in that soil stimulated. Here's another tomato plant. We have a cluster of 4 hanging here. Tomatoes between half a pound and a pound. Another tomato over here, about 3/4 of a pound. And on this other plant, we have 2 more yellow tomatoes. These are low acid tomatoes and very easy to digest. And these have hyper amounts of chlorophyll, as you can see from the green stripes on the top of the tomato. And to the right here we have peppers, and we've already harvested some red peppers from plants in front of the house. And the house faces west, and we had very good crops in 4-gallon pots. They picked up a lot of heat units. I call them my solar panels. And we had one Italian Roma pot produced 26 tomatoes. Excellent quality, excellent size. We have 60 feet of raspberries around this house, and it's not all producing that, but we're getting 1 to 2 cups a day. And across the yard you can see our chicken coop. We had 4 chickens producing brown eggs. We've shipped them south to a farm for the winter. And here we have a tomato raised bed cherry tomato plant, and we're still getting tomatoes off that. And we had an overflow of tomatoes started this year, so we planted them along in front of the raspberry canes, and they've done very well. We put chicken wire in front of it to keep the chickens out of the patch. Down there in the corner we had kale in raised beds along with 4 kinds of lettuce. And in front of those other side of those soil bags, we were composting our veggie and fruit scraps from our juicing machine, and we're just burying it as we go, and it's working out very well, enriching the soil.